former post as Congressman of Navotas. If I may explain, Your Honor.
Yes, go ahead, please.
Alam niyo ho, nung kinalaban ko ho si GMA ng 9.5 years, hindi ho ako iniwanan ng mga mamamayan sa Navotas. Kahit pinahirapan ho ako, binoto pa rin ho nila ako ng mayor ng 3 beses. So, yan ho ay utang ko sa kanila. Ganun ho. So, ito ho ay pangako ko sa lahat ng nakikinig ngayon. Kung tumakbo ho ako ng senador before 2016, tawagin niyo ho akong sinungaling. But after 2016, when I'm turned out already, I will have to find an option for myself, Your Honor.
Of course. So you were an arch enemy of Gloria Arroyo. And one of the reasons alleged here in impeachment proceedings is that the Chief Justice should be removed because he is too close or too intimate with Gloria Arroyo. And yet you are saying now that you were an arch enemy politically of President Arroyo. Is that a fair summary of
That's very accurate, Your Honor.